There's a hidden Shopify feature that allows you to quite literally hide products or any page from your Shopify store. You might want to use this if you have a special offer and you don't want anyone just browsing your website to be able to find it. So let's take a look at how we can do this. We have here our demo store, and as you can see, there's a bunch of shoes, and there's one that's a little bit different. We've got this yellow shoe right here. So let's say we don't want this yellow shoe to be easily found on our website. Right now, it's front and center on our catalog. And if we just type in shoe, we're going to find it in our search results. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to remove it from our search results. We're going to remove it from our catalogs. And essentially, the only way you'll be able to access it is if you have the link. So, let's take a look. The first thing you have to do is we would jump into our Shopify admin settings. We come to custom data, and then we'll go to products, and we'll add a new meta field definition. So we're going to call this hidden. And then we're going to change the namespace to SEO. So we've got SEO.hidden, and we're going to make this an integer, and we can save that. Now we can hop into the product that we want to hide. So in this case, we've got our yellow shoe. And I'm just going to give this a quick refresh. And so at the bottom, we should be able to see the meta field definitions available. And we've got hidden here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type 1 here and save that. If you want the product to be hidden, you make it a 1. If you want it to continue to be seen, then you can just leave it blank. So now, if we hop over to our demo store again and give that a refresh, if I search for shoe, we'll see what happens. Right. We can't find it anymore. So it's not there anymore. We do clog. It's not showing up. Okay, great. So that's the first step. Second step, we need to remove it from our catalog. So right now, this catalog is actually just looking for this collection right here, shoes. And the way it's built is it's based on the product type. If the product type is equal to shoe, then it'll change it to shoe. Now, there's a few different ways we can exclude that product from our collection. Tags would be the most common way we would want to include, but you actually can't do any sort of exclusion criteria with product tags. So what we're going to do here is we're going to actually also use product type, and we're just going to say product type does not contain special, and we'll give that a save. And then we're going to come back to our product, and we're going to change the product type to special. Save that. And so if we come back here and give this a refresh, then we should see that this shoe no longer will be in our collection. So let's try that. Okay, so there we go. Now we no longer have our yellow shoe in the collection. We can come back to our demo store. We'll just refresh. And there we go. No longer in our collection. You can no longer find it in our search. And so the only way to access it is if we know the URL. So this is the URL. Come out here, and we can find it that way. So now what you can do is if you have an email campaign where you only want your email subscribers to get access to this offer, then you send them this link. Or if you have a Facebook ad and you only want to drive your Facebook traffic to this landing page, you can do that too. But anyone else who's just browsing your website, they're not going to be able to find it. That's a real quick way to hide products from your store. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if there was anything that wasn't clear, and I'll see you in the next one.